Ladies and gentlemen, let us all acknowledge the arrival of the Governor of the Province of Leyte, Honorable Carlos Jericho L. Pipilla, represented by the VSP Chairperson, Leyte Council, Honorable Francis Ann V. Pipilla, accompanied by Lieutenant Colonel Charlie L. Saclot.
Veterans Federation of the Philippines and Sons and Daughters Association Incorporated.
BSP Chairperson, late Council, families of the late Scouts Valeriano Abelio, Auntie Ruhunia, and Vicente Tiston, and also to the living World War II veteran, Mrs. Juliedad Francisco.
To our dear Governor Jericho Icod Petilla, and represented, of course, by the beauteous wife, Ma'am Francine Ann Petilla, our BSP chairperson of the Leyte Council, Ma'am Lieutenant Colonel Charlie Saclot, Sir, the Philippine Army, our very dear Mayor Erwin Ocaña, my cousin, and of course our Vice Mayor Minardo Mate, and our Municipal Council, together with our LGU officials and employees, barangay officials led by our ABC President, our own barangay captain, Mampuring, the family of late Valeriano Abelio, of course, my family here, my Auntie Aurots and Auntie Trining, the family of late Vicente Tiston, our veterans, the Veterans Federation of the Philippines Sons and Daughters Incorporated, the Philippine Coast Guard and the Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary present, our comrades from the Philippine Army, from the Bureau of Fire, the Philippine National Police, DepEd officials, and the strong teaching force of Tolosa. Guests, our then Secretary of DOH, Ma'am Obial, Secretary Obial. Ladies and gentlemen, my fellow countrymen, good morning. Today, on the 79th Signal Day commemoration, we gather here to pay tribute to incredible valor and heroism.
From the beach, Tatay Yayang could see two men facing each other on two different ships, signaling furiously. He knew they were going by a code and had to do with bombings that would precede the landing. To avoid endangering the lives of hundreds of civilians, including his family, from indiscriminate bombardment by the Allies, Tatay Yayang hastily borrowed two 35-cent aristocrat handkerchiefs belonging to his elder brother, Primitivo Ibanez, and tied them to two sticks as improvised semaphore flags.
It is with great heart and pleasure to welcome again you all to our humble town and beautiful town with the loving people of Tolosa. Today, gathered to commemorate the 79th Signal Day, honoring the bravery of Scout Valerio Abelio and his companions, Antero, Junia Sr., Vicente Tiston. On October 18, 1944, they showed incredible courage by using scout signals to plead with incoming Allied forces. Kanina nag-usap kami ni Ma'am, aywan ko magamit pa itong semaphore flag. If somebody of China will visit us, hindi na ata magagamit itong semaphore flag because we have an high-tech communication. Pero hindi na ito nang mangyari. Mga China, pauwin na natin yan. Urging them to spare the shores from devastating bombings. Their action protected the thousands of local residents who called this coastal area their home, this event served as a powerful reminder of the unwavering spirit and resilience of the Filipino people during critical moments in history, honoring the sacrifices and valor of Filipino veterans. Their story reminds us of the importance of effective communication and compassion in our modern world. It inspires us to prioritize the well-being of all, especially the most vulnerable as we face global challenges. Let us remember and express gratitude for the sacrifices and heroism of our Filipino veterans and strive for a better, more compassionate and inclusive world.
Good morning. Today, we gather once again, and every year, we see each other here in Tolosa to celebrate a moment in latest history, the Tolosa Signal Day. This occasion is just not an annual event, but a constant reminder for all of us, for the unbreakable spirit and courage and resilience that resides with the hearts of the brave residents of Tolosa. As the chairman of the Boy Scouts of the Philippines Leyte Council, I stand before you not just to commemorate the bravery of our scouts, but to profess them as our local heroes of World War II. While we should never forget General MacArthur's historic landing in our shores, every Leyte landing commemoration, we must always mention again and again the names of our local heroes who bare hands and unwavering determination stood firm in the face of adversity. And we all know these heroes, the three brave Boy Scouts of Tolosa, Valeriano Abello, Antero Junia, and Vicente Tiston, whose story deserves to be etched in the annals of history. These scouts, armed not with weapons, but with semaphore flags, embarked on a mission of unbelievable bravery. They did not run away and hide. They risked their lives to send a message to the American warship. Their act of valor was not just an act of service. It was an act of love for their community. And it was a resounding declaration of the Scout values instilled in their hearts when they were young. Their selflessness, unwavering commitment shielded their beloved town, Tolosa. Their story reminds us that extraordinary heroism that can come from the most ordinary individuals. This is our solemn duty to celebrate and preserve their legacy. By recognizing the Tolosa Signal Day and declaring these scouts as our local heroes, we ensure that their courage, sacrifices, and unwavering spirit remain forever etched in our collective memory. So may I add, which I was able not to write in my speech here, in the BSP Leyte Council, we are is planning of coming up a documentary film featuring the three scouts in preparation for our 80th Leyte Landing celebration for next year. And this would be the least that the Boy Scouts Leyte Council, this is the least that we can do to these three scout heroes. Also, as the Leyte tourism consultant, we are actually having tours, several tours here in Leyte, and I always mention to the tour guides to mention the names of the 3 scouts because they are part of the history of Leyte. Together with Governor Jellico Petilla, as we commemorate Tolosa Signal Day, let us all reflect in their courage, their selflessness, the scouts, Abella, Cunha, and Tiston, so that we will strive to be like them, to be fearless protectors of our community, to show unwavering bravery in the face of adversity, and to be the beacons of hope for all who look up to us. May the legacy of our heroes not be forgotten. Thank you very much.
In grateful recognition and deep appreciation for gracing the 79th Signal Day commemoration in conjunction with the 79 Leyte Golf Landings with the theme Pagpupugay sa Kagitingan at Kabayanihan ng Veteranong Pilipino, given this 18th day of October 2023 at Barangay Telegrafo, Tolosa, Leyte, Philippines. Signed, Municipal Mayor Erwin Cinco Ocaña.
Again, a warm round of applause please to Honorable Francis Ann B. Petilla. Miss Feli Francisco. Miss Trinidad A. Francisco will also be turning 100 years old this year.